King Solomon, a legendary figure in the Bible, was the son of King David and Bathsheba, and he ruled the United Kingdom of Israel around the 10th century BCE. Solomon's reign is often depicted as a time of peace, prosperity, and wisdom, and his story is full of themes of leadership, wisdom, and human imperfection. Ascension to the throne. Solomon's path to the throne wasn't straightforward. Although he was not David's oldest son, Solomon was chosen to succeed him, partly due to the influence of his mother Bathsheba and the prophet Nathan. This choice led to political turmoil, as his older brother Adonijah also sought the throne, but Solomon ultimately consolidated his rule. Solomon's wisdom. Solomon is renowned for his wisdom, which, according to the Bible, was a divine gift. In a famous story, God appeared to Solomon in a dream and offered him anything he wished for. Solomon chose wisdom to govern his people, which pleased God, who granted him not only wisdom but also wealth and honor. This wisdom is exemplified in the story of two women who came to Solomon with a baby, each claiming to be the mother. Solomon proposed to cut the baby in half, giving each woman a part, revealing the true mother when she offered to give up her claim to save the child's life. This act cemented Solomon's reputation as a wise and just king. Building the temple. One of Solomon's greatest accomplishments was the construction of the first temple in Jerusalem, a monumental project that took 7 years to complete. The temple became the central place of worship for the Israelites and a symbol of Solomon's devotion to God. Solomon spared no expense, importing materials like cedar from Lebanon and employing skilled artisans. Solomon's wealth and influence. Solomon's kingdom was prosperous, enjoying peace and expanding trade with other nations, such as Egypt and Phoenicia. His wealth and influence attracted leaders from other nations, most notably the Queen of Sheba. She came to test Solomon's wisdom with riddles and was impressed by his answers and the prosperity of his kingdom. Solomon's later years. In his later years, Solomon's faith wavered. According to biblical accounts, he took many wives and concubines, many from foreign nations. These marriages were often for political alliances, but they led Solomon to allow the worship of other gods in Israel, displeasing God and ultimately leading to the kingdom's downfall after his death. Legacy. Solomon's legacy is a blend of wisdom and complexity. He is often celebrated for his intelligence, administrative skill, and his role in building the temple, but he is also remembered for his moral struggles and the eventual division of his kingdom. His story is a reminder of the challenges and responsibilities of leadership and the consequences of choices.